Hiya, buddy. I'm glad you came out. So today I made two different types of crab, or I wouldn't call it crab ragoon, green onion ragoon, because I don't use crab. But I deep fried one and I air fried one. And today I want to do a taste test and see which one I like better. This is what the air fried looked like, nice and crispy. Got done. And this is my deep fried. Just what you would expect, deep fried, delicious, crispy. Now for the air fried. The crisp is a little more intense, but you do kind of miss that greasy fattiness that you look forward to in a ragoon. So take your choice. This is still delicious. Have a great day. Like and follow for more.